we've got a closet that's got a lot of mold in it. Now, a lot of people think that when there's mold, it's because there's a pipe leak or something like that. Not necessarily always true. When you get in a humid climate, like down by the beach, then you can get surface mold that grows on things, because what happens is you get a lot of fog and moisture in the air, it gets trapped, and you don't get a lot of ventilation in a closet, so you get this brown stuff that shows up, and it's just light surface mold. So what we're going to be able to do today is just scrub it all down really good with a disinfectant and clean it all up. There's no need to do any demolition. Do you have water damage or mold? At Orange County Restoration Services, we can help you. Give us a call, 949-828-2399.